Last week, Food with Soy posted this thing about a night market. I screenshotted it because she provided an address. I found some more information on Reddit, and then I was like, we gotta go. We ended up getting so much good street food. If you say Thai, I say sausage. We got Thai sausages, papaya salad, mango sticky rice. What else did we get? Barbecued meats and barbecued seafood. So good. Yeah, it was just amazing.
It's she called it a cream soda, but it's really just a chili temple with lemonade. So good.
Things, yes.
Little dumplings.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, that's the one. Little legs. Okay.
Squid? Yeah, and then 3 of the...
Eating any pork?
It's soda with gummy bears, different flavors.
Can we talk about this dude just hustling? I mean, he was hustling 3 stations in a row.
For the Pepsi, you have to shake it a bit. These are ice cream. We did soda last week, so next week we might do milk again and then soda.
He had a cream soda station, ice pop station, and like this other concoction that he made.
We have the milkshake, the pandan, and the coconut. Our policy, if you drop it, come back. Yeah, for free.
Amazing.
This is my favorite kind of mango.
It's like so soft and so tender and so sweet.
You can get everything here. Night markets are my favorite thing.